Hello people, and welcome back to my channel. Today you already know what I'm gonna be making. You can tell from the title. I'm gonna be making a dress, a maxi dress, and I've got my measurements ready. So here I've got 6 yards of fabric, although I'm not gonna be using everything. I think I'm gonna be using half of it. So to start with, I'm gonna be cutting the top of the maxi dress. So the measurement is on the screen right now. So then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the bottom part of the dress using the measurement on the screen right now. If you're new to my channel, it is so great to have you here. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So now that I've got all my pieces cut out and ready to go, the first thing I'm going to do is hem the top part of this piece of fabric here, which is going to form the top of the maxi dress. And once I finish that, I'm going to start the shirring. And if any of you are not familiar with shirring or how to shirr a garment, how to shirr a fabric, I have a tutorial. Yeah, I'm going to be linking it in the description box. So if you are not familiar with how to shirr a fabric, you can go ahead and watch that. But for this video, I'm going to jump over that bit just to make it quick. So now here we are. You can see the progress I'm making already. The fabric is already taking shape and it's looking good. So I'm just gonna continue with the shirring until I finish it. So now that I finished with the shirring of the top part of the maxi dress, I'm gonna go ahead and pin that together and then just sew the side shut. So now that I'm through with that, the next thing I'm going to do is attach the bottom part of the dress to the top part of the dress. But unfortunately something happened here and I've lost the footage for how I made sure that I joined the two pieces together. But it was quite simple, and so because the two pieces are the same width, so all I did was stretched the top part to match the length of the bottom part. So while spinning it together, I'll stretch the top part to match the pattern of the bottom part, so that way the patterns actually match. So as I'm sewing the two pieces together, I just make sure that I keep stretching the top half to match the bottom half until I sew all the way around. And now that I've finished sewing the two pieces together, you can see here that the opening for the bottom part is in the front, just as I want it to be. So this is where the slit is going to be. So what I'm going to do next is now make a marking on the fabric where I want the slit to start from. Then I'm going to hem it. So this is where the slit will start from. So I'm gonna sew it short up until that point, and then I'm gonna have the opening for my slit. So yeah, I'm nearly done now. So what I'm gonna do next is hem the bottom of the garment, and once I finish with the hemming, then I can switch my attention to the straps. So with the straps, I just made like a tube, and once I finished that, I just put it through inside out. Did that for all 4 straps, and once I finished, I attached them to the dress. And now here you can see that the straps are already pinned down, ready for sewing. And once that is done, then the dress is actually done. So now the dress is done and it looks nice, and can't wait to try it on and show you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.